Hey everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube channel. I'm Ashley, if you guys already don't know who I am. If you want to learn how to do this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right onto the video. Alright, so first I will be filling in my eyebrows with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate with my Morphe R44 brush. Next, I will take my Morphe Y21 brush and my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral to clean my brows up. Same Morphe M536 brush I used to blend out the concealer on my brows, I will place the same Tarte concealer on my eyelid as a base and blend that in as well. Now I'm using my Airspun translucent powder to set the concealer on my eyelids. Now onto the eyes. I will be going into my Laura Lee Party Animal palette, and I will be packing on the yellow shade It's a Party onto my crease with the Morphe E17 brush. Next, I will be going into the same palette with the orange shade Drinks, and I'll pack that onto my crease with a Morphe E24 brush. Then I'll blend Drinks into It's a Party with a Morphe R34 brush. Now I'm just cutting my crease with my Shape Tape Concealer with the Morphe M166 brush. Then right after, I'll set the concealer on my eyelid with my Airspun translucent powder. Now I'll be going into the NYX Brights palette in the yellow shade with my Morphe M166 brush. Next, I'll be going into the Let's Do Makeup palette in the shade Kangaroo with my Morphe M434, and I'm placing this in the outer corner of my eyelid. Going in with the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner in the shade Black, I'll be lining my top lash line with a thin line of liner. Then with my gold glitter liner, I will line the top of the black liner and place it on my crease line just where the concealer and shadow meet. Before applying the Ardell Falsies in the number 811, I curl my lashes and place some mascara that I bought in Mexico. I'm not sure you can find it here in stores, but it's the Super Lash Avocado Mascara. After applying my false lashes, I'll apply just a little more mascara just to bind together my real lashes with the falsies. I forgot to put my moisturizer first thing before I started doing my makeup, so I'm putting my favorite moisturizer, the Aveeno Clear Complexion Daily Moisturizer. It leaves my face feeling so smooth, I love it. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with my NARS foundation in the shade Stromboli with my Morphe R6 brush. I feel like the color is a little too light on me, but you know, we can make it work. Next, I'll be setting my foundation with my Airspun Loose Face Powder. Now I'm going to go into my cream contour kit, the Anastasia Beverly Hills, in the color Cinnamon with my Morphe Y11 brush to contour my face. To set the cream contour, I'll be going into my Hoola Benefit contour powder with my Morphe Y1 brush, and then I'll be contouring my nose with my Morphe E25 brush as well with the Hoola Benefit powder. Face, I'll be going into the Anastasia Glow Kit in the shade Butterscotch with my Morphe 451 brush. For my blush, I'll be going into the Saharan Blush Volume 2, and I'll be going into the colors Tau and Lena, and I'll be placing that with my Morphe M104 brush. Now going back into the Let's Do Makeup palette, I'll be going into the shade Kangaroo once again, and I'll be placing that under my lower lash line. Going into the Laura Lee palette, I'll be placing that same orange shade and blending it in with Kangaroo. Going into the Laura Lee palette, once again, I'll be using the color It's a Party, and I'll be blending that in with Drinks and Kangaroo underneath my lash line. And now to finish off the look, I will be placing some mascara on my lower lashes, and then I'll be spraying my face with my NYX finishing spray. And that is all for this video. Thank you once again for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.